Do you spend hours chasing your leads only to realize that they are not a really good fit? Well, this voice AI agent can do that for you. It not only calls each one of your lead, but it will also ask them a set of questions that will help us determine if they are qualified enough or not. So it handles lead engagement as well as lead qualification. Now I am using this voice AI agent in small AI and AI automation agency so that I only have to interact with qualified businesses who are ready to have AI automations in their business. Now, if you're a business owner who's looking for automations like this, feel free to book a call with me using the link in the description and I'll be happy to help you out in this automation. Now, before we understand how this AI automation actually works, let's see a quick demo. Alright, now we are on our Retell AI dashboard and let's test out this voice conversational agent.
Hi, Prakash. This is Kelsey from AI Solutions, Inc. I'm just following up on your recent inquiry about AI automation services. Is now an okay time for a very brief chat?
Absolutely, I'm available.
Great, thanks. Are you currently actively looking for an AI automation solution for your business?
Yes, I am.
Okay, good to know. To understand how we might help, could you briefly tell me what kind of business you run or what industry you're in?
Yeah, so I'm running an real estate business.
Got it. A real estate business. Thanks for sharing. And what specific tasks or processes within your business are you looking to potentially automate or improve using AI? Like, is it lead generation, property management, or something else?
So I have two things in mind. One is going to be lead generation, and the second one is going to be, um, yeah, and the second one is going to be social media management.
Okay, thank you for explaining that. Based on what you've described regarding automating lead generation and social media management for your real estate business, it sounds like AI could be a great fit. I've noted down these details, and one of our AI specialists will give you a call soon to discuss this further. Okay, that's all noted. Just to confirm, an AI specialist will be calling you back soon. Thank you very much for your time today.
So as you can see that this voice AI agent was able to talk to me with my name. It asked me about my business type. It asked me if I'm available, if I want an AI automation, and it also asked me what type of operation I'm looking to automate. So collecting all of these values, you can see we have the entire customer flow here. So considering all of these values, it is now sending a webhook to this N10 workflow. I had to turn this on in the middle of the call because this is right now in test environment. And after I turned this on, you can see in the webhook, I was able to receive a few values. You can see I was able to receive my operations description and my business type. Now I'm simply sending out these values to this Google Sheet, and in this Google Sheet you can see that I have my name, my business type, and the automation description. So this helps me regulate that I am only getting the qualified leads saved into this particular Google Sheet. And now after and now after my after my leads are qualified, I can simply engage with them and I'll have a background information about them as well. Alright, now that we've gone through the entire demo, let's understand how this entire automation is working on backend. And you can add this entire automation to your business website in under 5 minutes. After we have given them the final confirmation, we are ending the call after we have saved their information to our Google Sheet. Now you can see that we have this entire function module. In this function module, I am calling out this particular function. If I go and edit this function, you can see that I am calling out this URL. This is the URL, and then we have other object in description as well. So I'm sending out the entire JSON object to this particular URL, and I'm using this particular workflow. In this workflow, you can see that we have a webhook which has the same URL as the Retell AI one, and so the function will call this webhook, and this N10 workflow will then append it to the Google Sheet. Now, of course, this entire automation is a very simple automation. Depending on different businesses, we can make it more comprehensive so that the entire customer journey is much more better and we are able to save much more information. We can configure this entire voice AI agent to book appointments, to make customer service, to do a lot of other things. We just have to name it. You could configure the AI to book appointments directly into your calendar, only for qualified leads, handle basic customer service inquiries, and tailor it for almost any industry requiring initial phone screening. So this entire automation is a very generic one. Now this is only on Retail's dashboard. We can add a phone number as well. So when I click on phone numbers, we have an option to add phone numbers. Now you can get your phone number using Twilio and simply add it via SIP trunking. So if you like this entire voice AI agent, hit the like button and subscribe button for more. Now if you want the entire Great. So if you like this entire voice AI agent, click on the like button and the subscribe button. And if you want to get the template of this automation, click on the link below to join my Discord community and you'll find the entire JSON right there. Now start using this voice AI agent in your lead generation. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next one.